Hi, my name is Nancy Walsh and welcome to the Monroe. This home was personalized by my buyers and I am so excited to show it to you today. So come on inside. All right, when you first enter, here is a study. Oh, this turned out so pretty. Look at the fireplace. They added the brick and the shiplap. They added the extra windows. It just opens up the room and gives it so much light. We are an electric community, so the fireplace is electric. Look at this kitchen. Oh, this is the countertop that's my favorite countertop. I guess I should learn the name of it, but this is my favorite. Has little specks of gold in it. Oh, they did a great job. Look at this. The hood. They have the microwave and oven. They added the drop zone. This turned out great. Look at that. Oh, they also upgraded the doors. So these are actually upgraded doors to have the extra panels on them. This is access to the 2-car garage, pantry. Oh, look, I didn't even notice this. So this is two-tone. So you have the white cabinets and then you have the tan island. Oh, come look at the front of the island. That is really pretty. And then they upgraded this space to be a wet bar. Have the floating shelves, the shiplap behind. This is a great space. Soft close cabinets. They have a place for their wine fridge. All right, and here you have a half bath. Oh. This is a beautiful backyard. I like it because you have the trees and the pond view. Oh, and little turtles in the pond swimming. They just dove in. Well, let's go on inside and check out the upstairs.
Okay, so the family, they decided they chose to personalize the staircase. Normally this is a knee wall and it's a solid, but they chosen to open it all up. So open, big gates all the way and up on the second level.
Okay, just wanted to take a minute and just show you this beautiful view from upstairs. All right, this home is usually built with a loft in the front, but this family has chosen to add a 4th bedroom. This is the primary, and I do love the way they've added the flooring. This is an upgraded flooring, extra wide planks, very pretty. Oh, and they do have a wonderful view out the primary. Okay, this is the primary bathroom. I like that they've added the tub tile all the way to the ceiling. It also has a great primary closet. And then I just want to show you the laundry room. And then there's 2 additional bedrooms. And the secondary bathroom. All right, well, this sums up my tour of the Monroe. This is a great home. It can be built as a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, or a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a loft. A great space, great lighting. If you are interested in this home or any other home over here at T Farm, give me a call, send me a text. I'd love to help you build or buy your new home here at T Farm. Bye.